Hi guys, so I just got an Amazon package that I've been anxiously waiting for. I got these two things for or like during the Black Friday sale. This one is a microphone, so I'm excited to use that whenever I make videos and do the voiceover stuff and things like that. So improve my microphone, and this is a laptop stand, which hopefully will help my PC not, make those fan noises, if you guys know what I'm talking about. So I got this laptop stand thing, and hopefully it fits well with my laptop. It's a 14-inch laptop, so I think it should be good. But yeah, just gotta test it out and see if it actually ends up working well. So I'm just gonna unbox these things really quick, and then I'll show you guys what's inside. Alright guys, so starting off first with the USB microphone. Here is the inside of the box. It's Fifine microphones. This microphone was really highly rated. I think it was one of the ones that was the Amazon recommendation, so that's how you know it's good. And here's the user's guide. I got the pink one. It was a little bit cheaper than the black one, and I was debating I don't know which one to get, but I'm a sucker for pink, so I just got that. So hopefully it's cute. So here's the setup. It's really easy to set up, I believe. Yeah, it comes with the stand, and so you just kind of use it like that. I think there's a USB plug, so it's very simple and easy to use. So yeah, let's open this up. Look at that. Okay, so here is the stand for the microphone. And here is the microphone itself. So it's a really beautiful dark berry color. I actually really like the pink. I'm glad I got that instead of the black. Kind of just wanted something different, like a pop of color, I guess. So let me unwrap this, and I'll try to get it set up so we can see it, how it would look like in action. Okay guys, I was able to get it set up, as you can see, onto the mounts that it came with. And so as you can see, you can, I think, kind of adjust the legs a little bit. It's a bit stiff, but you could still make it higher if you'd like that, or you could kind of widen it out to its full length, which is about that high. It's pretty low. But then here, as you can see, is the front of the microphone. And there's also a volume knob that you can use to either mute yourself if you'd like, or to turn it all the way up. And as you can see, this is the front of the microphone right here. They said there's a little, I don't know if you can see that, that gray thing in there. I think that's where it picks up the sound. So it's best, the sound picks up the best when it's this. The thing is, this is rotatable, and I don't like how it's loose though. Even when it's here, it's kind of it can still move. So I don't like how it's not secure, but you can tighten it, but then it goes all the way to the back, and so then you'd have to do the microphone like this, I guess. Just not too bad, I guess. You could still do it like that, but it just looks weird. So yeah, it's another thing. You can also adjust the this thing over here. If you loosen it a little bit, as you can see, it just went down. So if I wanted to maybe make it angled up like this, I could do that. Tighten it by turning it counterclockwise, and it should stay put like that. So you can do that. I like how, you can adjust it, even though, this is kind of annoying how it's a little bit loose. But overall, I feel like it looks good, and, maybe I'll try testing it out now to see how the mic quality is. Testing 1, 2. All right, let's try turning up the volume a bit and seeing if it does anything. Okay, this is a bit higher. I don't know if it... Hello. Hi, how you doing? All right, guys, now moving on to our laptop stand. Oh, wow, I like the box, how it just opens up like a pizza box. Okay, here is the stand. The handy little wires it comes with. This is a USB to USB. It's very light, as I'm holding it right now. Okay, can you see the fan in there, guys? It's just one big fan. Here's another view of it from the bottom. Has some padding, 4 feet padding on the bottom, which is nice touch. And then this little thing pops out so you can, your laptop can rest against there. Here's the instruction manual it comes with. Right? It's pretty easy. So the USB port is in the back. Switch knob. Let's take a look at that. Okay, it comes with 2 USBs. I think this is how you control the fan, the speed of it. It's pretty self-explanatory, as you can see. Alright, look at that picture. Okay, so you connect it to the... So that controls, yeah, it controls how high the fan is, and then if you want to just turn it off, you can turn it all the way to the left, I guess. Okay, that's it. Alright, let me just go set this up and then show you guys. I did want to show you guys one thing though, just about how you can adjust the height. So as you can see, if you like lift this up, you can get this bar down here and set that down as the base, and then this this bar you can place it on these different ledges and adjust the height, which is really nice. So I don't know what height I'm gonna do. This is like the lowest height you can do. Alright guys, so as you can see, here is my 14-inch laptop. It fits perfectly on the, what is this called again? The laptop cooling pad. And as you can see, I elevated it slightly, like so. And I think you can barely hear the fan going on in there. So far so good. It was really easy to set up. And it looks great, you know, at the height it is elevated at. I'm going to try to turn on the fan a little bit more and see how it sounds like, and then I'll show you guys. Turning it up a little bit. Okay, I'm going to turn it down. Okay, turn it all the way off now. Oh, wait. Oh, okay, there's a, oh, you have to click it and then it turns off. And then if I turn it clockwise again, it turns on. I like how you can adjust the fan speed. I feel like that's really helpful. Alright, so this is like my setup now with the laptop stand and the microphone. I love it. It looks so good. I'm so excited to hopefully make some more videos and some good content for you guys. Thanks for watching. Bye.